a general profile of who the likely victim would be of the at-risk adult. Generally, the official range of age is 60 to and above, although only 3% of people between 60 and 64 have been victims of financial abuse. The targeted group is over 80. For obvious reasons. As people get older, their memory starts to fade, they become more confused, so they're the most susceptible at-risk group. The classic sort of perpetrator of fraud against at-risk people are people who are physically or emotionally close to the adult. Often adult children have been found to victimize their family member. The problem is that the family member trusts the related person, the child. Many times it's an adult child. People over 80 will feel very close to their family member. They may be afraid to report that they think that they're a victim of financial abuse because of embarrassment. They may feel that if they report it, they might become abandoned. So it's sort of a vicious cycle in terms of who is potentially subject to financial abuse and who are the perpetrators. At the same time, people who, my mother's over 80, I'm an adult person, and my mother is confused. And so if I'm trying to help her, the person at the bank is trying to discern whether this is a helpful family member or this is an abusive family member. Some of the other factors that they can look at is to see whether there's a change in the at-risk person's banking habits, whether the transaction seems unusual. But there's a whole variety of factors that are actually challenging to the bank officer to figure out if actually financial abuse is taking place when it's not completely obvious.